This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Bitfinex for beginners. First, you'll need to set up and verify your account, which typically involves providing identification documents. Once verified, you can deposit funds into your wallet. Bitfinex supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and several fiat currencies, offering flexibility. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface, including order books and charts, to make informed decisions. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Bitfinex offers various order types to suit your trading strategy. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, ideal for quick trades. Limit orders allow you to specify the exact price you want to buy or sell at, providing more control. For risk management, consider using stop limit orders, which combine features of stop and limit orders to protect your capital. Understanding these options is key to executing your trades effectively and managing potential losses. The Bitfinex trading interface provides essential tools for analysis. The order book displays real-time buy and sell orders, giving you insight into market depth. Price charts offer a visual representation of an asset's historical performance, helping you identify trends. You can also apply various technical indicators, such as moving averages or RSI, to enhance your analysis. Spending time understanding these features will significantly improve your trading decisions and overall strategy. Effective risk management is paramount when trading. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, especially as a beginner. Consider diversifying your portfolio across several different cryptocurrencies to spread risk. Implementing stop-loss orders is a smart way to automatically limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. Always stay informed about market news and avoid emotional trading to protect your capital and trade responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.